welcome back to another video. Today we got a Lowe's weekly ad, March 7th to March 13th. So these prices are just available for these days. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more Lowe's, Home Depot, Harbor Freight deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got the Lowe's tackle projects for less. We're just going to be going over the tools just to clarify, because this is a tool channel, and if I don't go over just the tools, I'll get you guys bored. And alright, this is a garden tool, so this is a tool, by the way. Works 20 volt max, cordless string. We do have some regular tools, not just garden tools, towards the end of this, not at the end, but the middle of this video. We got the Works 20 volt max cordless string trimmer, edger, leaf blower for $119. So I guess you get these two. That's a nice little combo there. You got any batteries with this? Doesn't say. Guess not, just a tool. You got a Craftsman 160cc 21-inch cut push gas lawnmower for $269. It's exactly the same thing that I have. Still works. I love my Craftsman. It's the next page. We got some garden equipment, garden hose right there. We got some what are these, pruners, edge, yeah. So I'm not gonna go over those. Let's see here. Let's go over the tractors here real quick. Craftsman R110, 10.5 horsepower, 30-inch cut riding lawnmower for $199. So just under $1,200. And then we got this one for under $1,300. It's the T110. 17.5 horsepower, 42-inch cut riding lawnmower. It's a nice lawnmower. Then we got this one, Craftsman 210, 18 horsepower, 42-inch cut foot pedal hydrostatic riding lawnmower. Just gonna go over this real quick. This is the Craftsman C510, 20 horsepower, V-twin 42 cut hydraulic or dual high stop. Can't say that word. Zero turn lawnmower, 2,000, just under 2,600. Yeah, these are usually I see the landscapers use these all the time. The ones that don't have these two, they have these two handles, because they're actually, with this zero turn, it's much easier to use. You get a much better coverage there. You got the Craftsman 140cc 21-inch push gas lawnmower for $229. It's a great deal there. Craftsman 163cc 21 gas self-propelled front wheel drive lawnmower $299. Then you got the Craftsman 60 volt max. This is the battery operator one. 21-inch deck width, self-propelled rear wheel drive cordless lawnmower. So I didn't know Craftsman made a battery operated lawnmower. That's weird. It's probably new. Craftsman 60 volt max, because I went to Lowe's the other day. I did see the new one from Cobalt. It's 80 volts, but I didn't see the Craftsman one. 60 volt max, 15-inch brushless cordless string trimmer for $239. It's kind of pricey, but it is, it's probably one of their newer tools. You got the Craftsman 60 volt max brushless cordless leaf blower for $239. Craftsman 2800 psi 2.3 gallon per minute pressure washer $299. And this is the Craftsman 3000 psi 2.5 gallon per minute pressure washer $349. This is the Craftsman 3000. Did we just go over this one? Looks like the other one. I think so. Craftsman 3200 PSI 2.4 gallon per minute. Pressure washer $3.99. Alright, next page. We got some more riding lawnmowers. We got John Deere. John Deere is a good brand. E100 17.5 horsepower, 42 cut foot pedal, automatic riding lawnmower. Just under 1600. I love the green on these. This is John Deere 235E Z-Trek 20 horsepower, V-twin, 42-inch cut, hydrostatic, 0 turn lawnmower for $2,599. So just under 2,600. It's a nice looking lawnmower. Then you got this one, which looks just like the other one actually. Looks just like that. Maybe they're made by the same people. Husqvarna YTH 1854-2, 18.5 horsepower, 42-inch cut, foot pedal, hydraulic riding lawnmower for just under $1,600. It's the same price as this. Husqvarna YTH 22 V46, 22 horsepower, V-twin, 46 cut, foot pedal, hydrostatic riding lawnmower for $17.99. Alright. We got a Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle gas leaf blower, $99. Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle 17-inch cut gas string trimmer, $129. We got a Husqvarna 163cc 21-inch cut self-propelled all-wheel drive, $349. You can go off-roading with that one. It's an all-wheel drive. Husqvarna 190cc 22-inch cut self-propelled all-wheel drive and lawnmower for $499. You can go off-road with that one too, even race. Cobalt 40 volt max cordless leaf blower, $159. Cobalt 40 volt max 13-inch cut cordless string trimmer, $159. This is one of my favorites here. I wanted to get one of these. Either this one or the Eagle from Home Depot. Cobalt 40 volt max 20-inch deck with push brushless cordless lawnmower for $299. They got the Greenworks 17 psi, 1700 psi, 1.2 gallon per minute pressure washer for $99. It's a little small one. It does come with a hose. Nice. Alright, that's the garden stuff. The grills, if you guys want to look at the grills there. Alright, tools here. We got the Bosch. I always like Bosch, especially on tips. They are great bits. I too have some bits from them. They work real nice. Probably one of the better bits I ever have had. Bosch 14-piece black oxide twist drill bit set for $9.98. 6.5 amp T-shank variable speed corded jigsaw, $99. You got the little combo kit. This is the same price as the Milwaukee. Yeah. No, wait, not Milwaukee. Makita Rigid. And I believe those two from Home Depot. So it's very competitive. This is the Bosch 12 volt max lithium ion combo kit, soft case, $129. You got the Bosch benchtop laminated router table for $169. We got a Bosch 2.2 horsepower variable speed combo fixed plunge corded router with hard case, $199. Bosch 15 amp 10-inch table saw with rolling stand, $499. Some vanities there for the bathroom. Storage there for $7.98. Alright, this is the pro pick of the week. This is the DeWalt 420 volt max lithium 1.5 cordless dual driver soft case, 2 batteries for $99. Because you can choose this one too. I would definitely choose this one because I like impact. DeWalt 24 max lithium 1/4 variable speed cordless impact driver soft case, $99. And these are your older tools, so but still $99, that's a killer deal. You know, great tool there. It's not brushless, but it's brushed. This is the Hitachi or Hitachi 16 gauge 2 1/2 finishing pneumatic nailer for $99. These are great nailers. Alright, that looks like that's it for this video. Stay tuned for my pro video because I will be coming out with one of those. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.